And this is Papa Loves. Woo-ha!
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own. And this. Ayan. Here at Tapalit, Pampanga. Pandayan Bookshop. Tempo, ng daddy mo. Yeah. Palit na natural palit, guys. Palit. Pampanga. Tapalit, Pampanga. Ayan. A picture sa Pandayan. Picture sa Pandayan. Yan. Let's go. Happy riding?
No.
Why?
Pala yun.
Welcome to Tapalit, Pampanga. Naitsura ng palit eh. Cover your mouth. Welcome to Kalumpit Market. Ayan, Kalumpit Market. This one is Kalumpit Market. Tinda kayang alimasa kayong yan, tsaka lapihan. Bago ha. School now. Let's go to school. Miko and Toby. And Kyle. And Aries. And Jet. He's going to fishing tomorrow. Huh? Who wants Jollibee? Ano gusto mo?
Happy Meal.
Ha?
Walang Sunday, only ano.
May ubo kayo lang. Pam fry. What do you want? Pam fry
with cheese. I want fish mango cheese.
Tell me your order. What's your order?
I want chicken. I want free ice cream for everyone. I want free ice cream for everyone. I want chicken.
Okay, kalas. Kalas.
I want chicken too.
Enough.
Bap mo.
Ayan, ano order niyan?
Tuna pie.
Chicken na lang kayo. Huwag na kayo mag-burger. Tatlong C5 na lang pa.
C5 tatlo. Apa? Sang Y1. T lat.
Tatlong C5 na lang, wala nang Y1.
Ano ba?
Nakikihingi na lang sa
Tatlong C5. T. Nesty?
Tatlong Nesty.
That was iced tea.
Sarap ba magbabayad?
Oh, dito. C5 tatlo, 147. Alright. Happy? Oh, kiss mo siya. Kiss mo siya. Ayun.
Nakamika. Lapay may hika.
Look at it here.
Papa, nagsiserve sa atin. Where's our order? Burp, burp. Ang Jollibee dito guys sa Pilipinas ay kulay blue na, hindi na red. Blue Jollibee. Ayan. Ayan. Oh, si Aries. Anong order mo, Aries? Order mo lahat. Napagod sa biyahe guys. Jollibee. Abida, ang saya ng aming bunsoan. Ano? Oh. Anong order niyan? Ha? Anong order? Anong order?
Hindi pwede mag-ice cream.
Hey, bawal.
I don't say ice cream, iced tea.
Meron na.
Oh, go back. Okay.
I eat iced tea for you.
I don't like.
I
Hirap mag-init.
How about Aries? Hi. Toys, may straw yan? Last time, di mo nilagyan ng straw.
Yung kakaiba yun. Kakaiba naman adik.
Siya yun. Ha? Pangalan niya, Jollibee. Ha? Take your food. Finish your food, ha? Para makapasok tayo dun sa loob. Dali. Faster. Finish your food. Ha? Finish it. Oh, don't get a mess, ha? No. You see, Kyle, oh? Very simple, oh? You bite like that and you bite like that. Show it to me, how you bite it. Oh, Jollibee. And then, the rice. You bite the rice? Okay. You bite the rice. You bite the rice. And, oh, see? Very simple, see? Daig pa kay ni Kyle. Ha? Mga ate, kuya, daig kay ni Kyle, oh. Madiskarte. Oh, it's delicious, right? Wow, delicious, right? Yeah, you eat like this. It's delicious. Oh, very good, very good. Oh, you finish it so we can go inside. We can play. No, don't open, Miko. Let them open by himself. You're a big kuya now. You know what to do. Kaya nga. Kuya Toby is like a crybaby, you know? I don't know why like that. Oh, you see Kyle, oh? Very delicious, right?
They don't drive because our family says bangka.
Okay. Guys, English na naman guys. Napagtulungan ako ng tatlo, ha? O, number English na, gabi na eh. Ha? Galap na tayo, gabi na. Ay, naku guys. Yummy.
You drive.
Oh, see guys, slang. Susme karude, help.
This is sugar. Hello guys. We are Jollibee. I'm gonna get out the car. Explosive. The drink. Explosive. I just
I'm speechless guys. I don't have any English anymore.
Hello guys.
Ayun guys, binubuli na naman ako ng dalawa kong apo. Ito yung favorite na buliin ako ng dalawa na to. Nire-wrestling ako buong makapon.
Wrestling punya kita.
Wow.
Yeah. So, yung kamay na.
Tastes like Jollibee. I think I like it. Tastes like Jollibee.
Emmanuel Nawaway. Nawaway ang kuko.
Tama.
Nawaway ang kuko ka ba? Eat mo. Opo.
Apa. Oh, picture tayo. Picture tayo, picture tayo. Waki, waki.
Biko! Ishwedu-wedu. Ishwedu-wedu. Ishwedu-wedu.
Are you done, Rico? Are you fin- Huwag mo kakainin ng buto, ha?
What the strip? What the strip?
Oh, yung...
Ubus na yung drink ko.
Oh, no. No.
That was okay.
Huh? He finished his food. He had his own.
Because I burped.
Ah, you were... Oh, very good, Kuya Kael, oh. Sharing, ha? Asan yung anong box? Asa yung box? Wipe your face first, and then your hands. Your mouth. Wipe your mouth first, and then your hands. Binigay mo pala, wala nang laman eh. Where's the box? Where's the box up here?
So where's the bus go? Hey, this is a logo.
Give me the box. Picture dali. 1, 2. Kael, where are you? Andito si Kael. Who wants to go outside? You better sing first. Sing. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Sing. Oh, dadas na naman. 1, 2, 3, 4. Aray ko. Pinansa ko. Okay, let's go down. You want iced tea?
Akit tayo sa paan.
Dami pa lang.
Kasi mga binili pa.
Ay, lugot. Ay, kumain. Ayan guys, dito kami sa bahay at ang nabili namin sa Walter Market ay ano yan? Open, you open.
What?
Samji, pang Samji. You open.
No, I'm not feeling too shandy.
You don't want to Samji?
Yeah, I want shandy. You want
Huh?
shandy, mommy.
Ah,
Ito, kanin mo. Put that to eat bread.
nagutom ang daga guys. Ayan na. Ah, fish skin. Ayan, fish cake. Fish cake. Ano to? Lobster ball. Wow, ito masarap. Lobster ball.
Eat this.
So guys,
Lobster ball. And this one is
Eat it.
fish tofu. Ah, ito masarap. Fish tofu.
Eat it ako.
kumain ka na nga.
Crab stick.
Ano?
Crab stick.
Yan.
At ito ang aming pang Samji guys. Magsa-Samji kami today. Tonight pala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, diba? Kaysa kumain ka pa dun sa Sanggip. Diyos ko guys. 800 per head. Eto, magkano lang to lahat. Diba? So, ayun na guys. Alam nyo na. Pag ganitong panahon na.
Guess how much? All of that.
How much?
5,000 plus.
5,000 plus. Lahat na to. Kung sa Samji. Oh, lahat pala nag-Samji na tayo. Kasi may iba, hindi naman pang Samji lahat.
Lahat yung Sanjay.
Samji lahat. Ah. Hindi, may iba. May cotton, may milk, may... Uy, guys! Wow! Yun. Okay, asan yung ano? Pansangi. Okay. Ayan guys, the king is waking. Eat like a Viking. Like a tabi. Tabi that. Ouch. You see?
That's what you get.
He's a bad.
That's what you get. Turning up my cocomelon.
What kekumelat? Ouch.
That's what you get.
That's not good.
Ay, tanggal. Bam, bam.
Ayan guys, yan. May bago kami tindahan. Korean, no? Shop. Ayan ang aming HRM. Wow! Yan eh. Ito na to? Oh. Magkano po isang order?
199 per head.
Oh, mura. Matatalo na natin sila. Diba? Ayun. Ayan. Oh, ang bango. Kain na po. Eto.
Hotpot.
Hotpot. Ayan. Ba't wala pa ano? Pinapinit pa. Nakasaksak ko. Ito ang burner. Wow. Ito, kiss. Pwede na. Let's eat. Ayun, oh. 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 Ikaw ko nga yung ate ko ang maganda. Smiley, smiley. 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 Ano to?
Telepon. Pag-sleep na lang kamot na. Sleep na ka.
Laki ng lettuce, no? Okay ba lettuce nilagay sa locker? Try natin isa. Ang laki. Changes. Ang laki. Ang laki. Ang enep.
Anak, huwag ka nang manghiram. Please lang. Tama na muna
Ang
yan.
enep. Ayun. Ayaw mo ba ba?
Mag-sleep na kayo.
Nilaga, baby. Nilaga.
Brace. Brace potato.
Nilaga pa?
Sila na ba yun? Tayo mo na?
Si Ching magaling sa paggawa ng mga ano eh. May ginagawa pa siya, ano yun? Oo.
So yun guys, kain na po. Kain na. Alin?
Yung insecto.
Insect, don't go down, okay? What it taste? Nice, nice. Sarap.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feeling like a dynamite, ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear.
Papa Labs TV Official. Subscribe and click the bell.